Kini kedai darshan Meghalaya bangi pedeng sobai pi barok syakani ketup kubor mentara janmit. Syoban paj kubor ki babenya ini pechwai ki mat bakongsan. Lek burom Menteri Rang Bakdo Narendra Modi yang Meghalaya Shimbenta hak jingki persyak Quit India Movement. Penbena Menteri katanak jongok kai pertai ke jelau bak polling do yaki program baper bat iki jingelang ban kring yaki nongwan jongok kai. An pelong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education artali ki eksamen SSLC manla usnem ka ban sedang nadu uni usnem arajar akusa. An pan kai pot ka sarkar halor ki jing kenok persyak ka seng KSU ka tanat MPSC nang jur shushu ka jing ki persyak. Bat pelat ka Jante Hills Council ya ka Aindrau Constituency Amendment Bill hapdeng ka jing ya terko bat jing persyak. Kubor ki babenya. Menteri Rang Bakdo Jongkari Narendra Modi mentara sengi ulale buram ya kajing ki persyak Quit India Movement belaya lam do Mahatma Gandhi ke bala longru kajing ka klip mat ke bakongsan ha kajing le lailo Jongkari India. Ha ke kubor lingba kerensan social media ulapan pau ya kajing long bakongsan Jongkani kajing ki persyak ha ki khana pateng Jongkari India. Ha shwa kajing rakhe ya sengi lailo Menteri Rang Bakdo ulapan kala ya kadur profile jong kerensan social media syakalama lairong jong Kari. Bat ulapan seluruh yaki beriu bakin yasno tilang haka kampen har khar tiranga. Ulakan turu ikipai nong syong snong ban rakhe ya kalama lairong jong kari da kebapen kelai yaki dur profile jongki. Bat bakin yasam lemru yaki dur selfie jongki haka website jong ka har khar tiranga. Hapok ke program Connect CM Menteri Rang Bak ke jela ukan rat ke sangma ulapan lut Katto kat ni kenta banyak keren bat kinong syong snong jong kalasken CNRD block ha kapor bela pelong ya ka jingelang pai ba ha syangpung museum lasken West Giant Hills District hinin gasngi kalasken CNRD block ka way ni kilai tali ki block jong ka West Giant Hills District ka kentop lang ya prapulai tali ki snong red kinong syong snong kilapan pau ya bun tali ki mat ki bakongsan ha ka ba Menteri Rang Bak ka jela ula batha ki he ki han bakin khmi benia pan penbet no khamklo ya kini ki mat bat la kularu ikipai ba wat la omla ban penbet no shisendon ya borok ki jing henry on sele pat ya ka badon kam ula pen seluruh ikipai ba bakin yai beteng ban pendon kam ya ka connect CM ban penpau ya ki jing ngau pat kum juru ya ki jing ai jing mot jongke.
And we are here to try and answer your questions, fix some of the problems that you may have. But while we try to do that, I also would like to say it's not possible for us to resolve all the problems today. And there could be some problems which we may not be able to resolve at all. But that does not mean that we shouldn't try. So therefore, we will try to understand your problems. We will try to resolve your problems. And if it is not possible to resolve immediately, how long will it take? Officials are here. We'll be able to answer to you directly. Number two, while we ask our questions, please remember that we are all here as a team. Nobody is trying to dig out and find a problem with the system. We are all here to find a solution to the problem.
Menteri katanat ki kam jengok kai pertai ke jela Meghalaya ubak polling do. Ulapan pau ya katto kat ni teli ki program ki bakongsan da ka jing temu ban kentiu ki kam jengok kai pertai ban kring ru ki nong wan jengok kai pertai syakani ke jela. Katanat kalapan kriak katto kat ni teli ki program ki bahe ki ban sawan ban shimenta ki riu pau nam ke pertai. Kentop ru Alan Walker ha benai nai lur bat Brian Adams ha ka shpauterik uno pra. Shushu ru Menteri katanat jengok kai pertai ulapan bena ba ka sarkar Jela kan sa pelong ya ka jingalang ba halor ki kam jungok kai perthei ha ka khat sau tarik unailar ban yamir jingmut halor ki mat ba pher ki bakta ya kani katanat kani ka jingshim khia jong ka sarkar balap binrap langru bat ki program ki bahe lakmi lenti bakan kring ya shibun ba ki nong wan jungok kai perthei syakani ka Jela.
The conclave is now scheduled for the 14th of August. It will be a day-long affair where I will be inaugurating the conclave in the morning. We will involve stakeholders across the entire spectrum of the tourism sector. As you are aware, major acts are on the anvil. The various tourism festivals will carry on as usual. Ryan Adams will be here performing in December. Alan Walker will be here performing in September. And already, just a while back, I got information that for the Ryan Adams show itself, as many as 10,000 tickets have already been sold.
Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS kan sedang no artli ki examen secondary school living certificate man la usnem kaban sedang nadu usnem puli arajar raphausau hadu arajar raphausan ke examen kabaningkong kan salong ha ubanai rempang bat leber arajar raphausan bat on sapen buat pat da ke examen supplementary ha jemang arajar raphausan kani ka jingkala ka thmu ban yadai ki khina puli na ka do ai baro shisnem na ka daw jong ka jingjingai ka porlong examen nadu ka snem puli arajar raphausan hadu arajar raphonriu ke examen kabaningkong kan salong ha ubanai no pra bat ke examen supplementary kan long ha rempang bat uleber nadu kasnem puli arjar pun riu hadu ajar pun nyau ki kena puli ki haban pas ya baro han riu teli ki subject namar on omdan subject show daki way na lor kini
regulation for the secondary school living certificate examination 2011 where there will be 2 board examination in an academic year. One will be for the main examination and if any fail students they will be given opportunity to write again after a gap of 2 months within month of May, so that all failed candidates can be reappeared for the board in the class 10 board examination.
Uhe kaseng BGP ubari pet ya kejala Meghalaya Banagalan u Anil Antoni ula pentikna ba ka sarkar pedeng kalabut din tik patik yaki kaput banlat na kanu ka jingthut ha ka syongsuk syongsan da ka jingdon ki sarkar NDA habaro artli ki jela u Antoni ula kularu ba onle persyaru da ka bating yaki kinu ki jing persyang ban penthut ya ka suk kasan ha ka than syatai lamingi yakani ula jubab halor ki jing penpau jong u klik du Bashipor jong kari Bangladesh u Muhammad Yunus halor ka jingla bandon ka jing kta hangni hangtai de ka ba ongru ba kadang kloy palat man ong ai Henry ula pensisharu ba ka sarkar pedeng ka petngor bha bat ka rai kut ban yada ya ka bhagamiat kinong song jongka.
This region is a region where our Honorable Prime Minister has always put special emphasis in the last 10 years under his Act East policy. The central government has spent over 5 lakh, 6 lakh crores in this region to develop this region, to increase connectivity with projects with initiatives like BIMSTEC, with our Act East policies. The Honorable Prime Minister is having a vision to connect the Northeast region and transform this region as India's gateway to Southeast Asia, South Asia, etc.
Menteri Katadak Social Welfare ubak polling do nen gaski ula ong ba ka sarkar jela kan sapan ka kaipot ba benya na katanat personal but administrative reforms hagabaya day bat kimat balawan ra da kaseng Khasi Students Union persya ya ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission ubak pol la banjur ba ka kaipot kan long ka badon kam na ka benta menteri rang ba ka jela ban bishar halor kani ka jinglong jingman ula pentikna ba ka sarkar kan om ya sha shiliang bat kan syem kilat kilinti badon kam khnang ban pentikna ya ka khoj ka suba hakurkom thungkam thungjam.
Without any shade of doubt, we should not encourage nepotism at any level. And I understand that the key issue has raised certain objections, certain queries about the alleged instances of nepotism. Government will certainly be on the side of justice and fair play, and we will take that to its logical end.
Meghalaya Public Service Commission kala menjer ban pelat yaki marks jong barok ki kertong ki belaya kon ya ka examen Meghalaya Civil Service Preliminary Examination ringkat ki jubab bat ki jing penbet hapo at pasau kata la syem ya negarai hadin ka jing ki persya da ka seng Khasi Students Union ka badawa ya ka jing khot jing suba ka ba khambha usong knor ka MPSC ula pentikna ya ka ni ha ka jing lang bat ki nong ilam ka KSU ha ka ju ka por ka KSU kala kerpat baya ka bha interview na ka benta ka kampulit ka jela dei ban pen phai biang sha ka jing pen bana jong usnam arajar khat khandai ka balong iweila ar point san ha ka jaka jong ka bha ka ba iweila iwei point san ka ba menta
Hingga jersey ku adon lupa andai ngatrai imax ku adon lupa ngatrai ka pertai komputerais menta ngatrai kamnai ku slam ta kadang ibu kuar abso kenta agli yang chaman lo kubur kata banle le da kadon ta jingle tu kata te le tu hi te kemut le tu kinong le tu da sa jingle tu andai agli yang ku seng ku tang ka we kumo kren kong meni te tang ka jing sedang nang ni sakmat ku ba sistem ku bat kemai ni balong transparent dari ke sarkar ke hak sutu bat hak semru ke jing bakli bat habru ban interview ke ratio HU ajar khandai pemi ke ai 1.2.5 Jakarta semen ada indak la shortlist pemi ke ratio 1.2.5 ke beli kelak tak don ni sudah kita ben biasa kom Jakarta semen no sistem nanti pen kelak bat bidon jing kelak don ni
Kaseng Jaintia National Council but Kaseng Jaintia Students Movement kila penpau ya ka jing ngau kya jingmut jongki halor ka jinglong jingman ha Bangladesh but ka jingla ban syakta jong ka jela Meghalaya ha ka jing ya kenduk badang syen bat usembut menteri rangba ka jela balong ru menteri ka tanat ki kampo yeng uba preston tengsong kiseng JNC lembat JSM kila IT ya ka dorkas ka ba penpau ya ka jing dawa jongki ban yadan ka jing wanrung kerthelap jongki petwir na Bangladesh sha Meghalaya hadin ka jing lang Presiden ka GNC uba Sambormi Lingdo lembat General Secretary ka GSM uba Roy Tri Dekhar kila keren syikilat patai kubor hakba kila penpau ya ki jing ngau kia jongki bakala bandon ka jing wan rung be an namar ka jing long jing man bamenta ha Bangladesh
demand from the government to set up a temporary police camp so that from the people living in the border they will be safe and secure from the infiltrate of the people from Bangladesh.
Kajing yudi jungi kajing damkam kabanungkong kalong ba ni na kalian ki arseng ni la kermsyai ya ka sarkar jela bakinom ay kita ki refugee camp hapo jela Meghalaya kumba kala jateng ha korban katma ka Bangladesh ban ka Pakistan ka katndai ya poe tagabaar ni la ajimut ya ka sarkar jela ya Home Minister bakin bu no da ki temporary police check camp ki benta ki bai dai border jong ka Jaintia Hills Barka, Bangladesh.
The Composite Regional Centre for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, CRC Shillong, lembat katanat social welfare, kila pelong ya ka aid distribution camp lani ka program sam jingerap menta kasngi ha ususotham auditorium Shillong. Kani ka program ka balong shibenta ni ki jingerap ya ki brio ki badunat khotmet ban yo ya ki scheme ban thiet ban pendat ya ki tiar ajing rap uba po lingdo haba ajing kren ha jing lang ula penpau ya jing long ba kongsan ban pendon kam ya ka bor ka ikhtiar na ka benta ki kam ba bha ha ka ba ula penslori ki nong wan ya shim benta ban pendon kam ya ki sap ki phong jong ki ban ajing mentoy ya ka long brio man brio pat ya ki pateng paket ban sawan
My message should be to remind ourselves that most of us have eyesight, but few of us have vision. Most of us have feet, but most of us do not move forward in life. Most of us have both our hands intact, and yet most of us do not use those hands to bless others. Therefore, on an occasion like today, let us recommit ourselves to use all that God has blessed us with for the sake of humanity and for the sake of this generation and future generations.
Giant Hills Autonomous District Council kalapalat ya Giant Hills Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Amendment Bill araja aposau kabadon ya arpokandai tili ki District Council constituency bathamai u Chief Executive Member uba Thombor Shiwan ulapan jingkershan na kabentakan ni bill ya kabala a jing menjur da ka Executive Committee wat hapreng jing persyak jur na unong yalam uba A Andrew Shulai ubala ong bayakani ka anrau la thau penwandur katkom ke result jang ka election MP badang syudam u Executive Member uba Fine Linus bare ula ajing mut ban pa yakani ka anrau syaka select committee nakadaw jang ka jing bombhun ya ki jing penbit penbyang ki bamenta
that propose, that whom, that approve, that executive committee long rejection. Now, prior, 12 proposed the deliberative committee member that you see this leave that check yang ke background, yang member kiwato saya hapo ketika deliberative committee. Ni kan isi ngat prior. Apa sih? Berselek dapat saya kerja berkat berjenai, dapat kerja berkat berjampan, kau jungai atau okey member yang ke ni ke deliberative committee man diuruskan kiwa baik jungai dengan pemerintah, dengan kami council, dengan kami itu.
Kaying Dorba Lok Sabha ne kasngi kala ai khuble ya Unira Chopra ubala yo ya ka takma rupa ha jinga le kai javelin throw pat kumju ru ya ka kenhun ya le kai hockey kari kabala yo ya ka takma renong ha ka limpung Paris Olympics ulam phang kaying Dorba Lok Sabha birla ula ya ro ya kini ki nong job khnang bakin longkum ki telong jing aimen CM ya ki samla kari kani kalong gajing perbena kat kom gajing batha da ulat ka jilla baya ka Raj Bhavan Shillong an saple na ka benda ki pai ba ka khat san tarik unai lar ajar phosau na do ka por light teng jan met hadu ka prash teng min met kajing shet kalong arpusan degree Celsius ba kajing khret kalong khanyau point sau degree Celsius kajing sngam khaw haw ka hakapor min step kalong prapon reu nakshi spa bat hakapor jan met kalong nyapon reu nakshi spa Kalak bendon kajing hap selap ke bamalu mala ba kajing tit uperthat habon ki jaka. Tipalok katong lapoi sya bekut jang katuk kubo jingi mata ka janmet hadu bangin de syam biang mat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baro.